Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can count the highlighted cell in your sheet, how you can sum the highlighted cell, and how you can count the cells that contain the text. For example, you have some names in the closing amount and you want to point out few individuals, for example, who closed on the very low amount. So I'm highlighting these persons with the yellow highlighter, for example the rows, and mark you. So I want to count the highlighted cell. So first of all, here I want to tell you this formula only work on the numbers. It will not work on the alphabets, words, or any name. So let's begin. What is the formula? It is equals to write subtotal. Here is the second option, and here you have to select the second option, that is count. Double click on it, comma, and select the range on which you want to apply this formula. Close the bracket, enter. So currently it is giving me there are 15 number of cells available, or the counts available. So I wanted to know only the highlighted one. So there's a simple trick. I select the header, go to the data tab, hit filter button, and filter the cells by using filter by color. So when you filter your cells by color, it will give you how many cells you have that are highlighted. So let's remove the filter. So now I want to sum those cells which are highlighted. So the same trick, it is equals to write subtotal and then select the option sum, that is 9. Double click on it, comma, select the range and close the bracket, hit enter. So currently it is giving me the total of all the cells, but when I separate the cell or filter the cell by the highlighter or by the color, so you will see it is giving me the total of the highlighted cell. Now let's remove the filter again. Now I want to count the cell that contain the text. So formula is a little bit tricky. It is equals to write subtotal, and subtotal select the option number 3, that is count A, and comma, and select the range of the cells. Close the bracket, minus, again write subtotal, and then this time select second option, that is count 2, comma, select the cells range, close the bracket, hit enter. Now it is giving me the cells that contain text are 15. If you want to filter your text, it will give you how many cells are highlighted and that those have the text. So I hope you like the video. Bye bye.